Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Drill Talk and More. So today I'm bringing a little unboxing and a little preview of my new purchase. Now, some of you who follow the Facebook page, Drill Talk and More, might have known that I've been debating about two pistols. Well, my mind's made up and I went ahead and got something new. Let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it's a 6-hour. So inside here, you have your P320 guide. Put this aside. Suggested ammo for purchase from Sig. Sig sticker. Joined the NRA today. What is this? You got some Dawson Precision fiber optic inserts to change your front sights or whatever. Some of you already know what kind of unboxing this is and what kind of pistol this is, but it's my first time opening it up and handling it. Still grease and all. Today I picked up a Sig P320 Xfive. Of course, it's for competition. It's probably going to be replacing or alternating with my M&P core, but that's what it is right here. Phenomenal thing about it, it comes with one mag in here, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to go ahead and roll in some shooting videos for the first time and then continue the video after I come back from the range. Stay tuned. Alright, let's talk about it. So I put a few rounds through the Sig 320 Xfive. I may say it was definitely a flat shooting gun. I definitely think these lightning cuts here definitely aided when the slide cycles, less mass moving around. They also added, I don't know if you can see it, this weight in here to kind of help with the balance of the firearm as it's shooting. So the recoil impulse is phenomenal. My first, I think, round, I had to think about it like, oh shit, did I shoot it? Definitely did. These sights that came on it, these Dawson sights, prolific. I'm in love with them. Fiber optic green with the blacked out rear with the serrations, help with glare. The trigger, smooth break. There you go. I kind of let it go real quick because I missed the reset. There you go, right there. Easy break. In love with this trigger. One thing that kind of held me back from this originally was the whole drop safe 320s, malfunctioning. But Sig has rectified those issues, and I definitely feel more comfortable now going with it. The Army as well has gone with the 320. The modularity, if that's not a word, it is now. The modularity of this weapon and ergonomics is phenomenal. The trigger, I'd say one of the best out-the-box triggers. I believe this is a similar trigger to the Legion. I could be wrong, but we'll find out about that. Yeah, I definitely intend on getting Romeo 1 for this. I just got to find something that still gives me the backup rear sights because I do believe in Murphy. So I definitely don't want to depend on a optic only. I definitely want my backup rear sights to go with it. But overall, man, I'm definitely loving this weapon. I've only put maybe 5 or so rounds through it just to test it out. On upcoming here this week, I'll be going to the range, probably putting 250 to 300 rounds through it initially, see how it does. This is definitely built for like competition. You could even go to tactical realm if that's what you please. But I will say that a good point for me was this firearm came with not 1, not 2, not your typical 3 that most firearms come with. these came with 4 21 rounders. So you have 21 round magazine, 4 of them. And when I went on the Sig website, I'll try to get a screenshot of that for you. But on the Sig website, sorry, these are marked for, I believe they're $52, $58, or it might be $48. It's about $50 for each mag. So we're estimating $50 a magazine alone. You have $200 value right here alone. So I definitely say if you're into competition, or if you're into tactical applications, or even if you just want a new firearm, I definitely say this Sig, the finish on it, the overall quality, just amazing. I just wanted to get this gun on the table for you guys, give you a little feedback of my first initial impressions about the Sig 320 Xfive. And so far I'm liking it. First couple rounds that I put through it solidified how I felt about it. Of course, the next 300 to 500 rounds will definitely give me some better insight on it. But just first impressions overall, man, this gun's phenomenal. I just love it. It feels great in the hand. These sights pick up lovely, and I can't wait to run competitions now. But I was just bringing that to you guys real quick. Definitely share, like, subscribe. Give me some comments. If you know more about the 320, put in the comment box. Let me know what you think about it. If you have any good modifications that you have to your 320, let me know. If you know any good holster locations, because I do intend on getting competition holster, like I said, but during the winter, I might even dabble in carrying it. Who knows? But if you know any good links, drop them all down into the comment box and flood it. Also, shout out to Mad Max on his channel. I have his link also linked into the description. He originally helped me and gave me feedback of the 320. Great channel. Go check him out. Support the vets. As always, thank you for your support. Share, like, subscribe, ring that bell to get notifications. And you guys be good.